guys, it's Marie with WTI. These replacement straws are exactly what I needed. I really needed a replacement straw for my YETI cup. I use it for so many different things, from really thick smoothies, which I love the straw for that reason. The smoothie could be super thick, but you can still suck it through the straw. I drink smoothies quite often. And all you have to do is put it through the lid, stir it up a little bit, and just take one big sip, and it comes right through the straw. I also work out a lot, so I really have to drink a lot of water. It's really good for water as well. You know, I need a pick-me-up. So in the morning, I might make a coffee drink or a protein shake, and that is awesome as well. With the YETI cups, the hole is big, so it's really important that the straw is big too. So if you lose straws like me and you really need a nice, thick, big, wide straw, I would highly recommend this product. And that's my point of view.